Hello， 大家好。最近养的苹果螺爆缸，分了几个小缸出去继续养，但是无奈这种螺是吃多拉多，喂多一点水质一下就很糟糕了。喂得少的话又长不肥，生不快。手边的过滤器也没有多余的，剩下一个沉水过滤器，虽然丢进去用了，但是效能有待加强，水质仍然很快就 GG。看看隔壁缸使用的小外挂过滤器，就很明显的比沉水过滤好很多，所以打算利用现有的零件做了一个牛奶瓶过滤器，还自带落水管，实际使用的过滤效果真的很不错。我们快来看看这种自带落水管的牛奶瓶过滤系统怎么做吧。首先处理好可以放牛奶瓶的平台架子，我这边使用实木板的方式制作。裁切好再上个护木漆就可以了，只要可以稳固的放上牛奶瓶即可。
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
再来就是牛奶瓶的处理，我这里先把瓶子的把手切开一边，然后用热风枪加热使其软化。如果家里没有热风枪，你也可以用瓦斯炉或卡式炉的方式加热，那记得不要烧焦就好。再用笔杆修整它的角度并等待冷却，这样过滤系统的落水管就完成了。接着切开牛奶瓶的上侧，切掉的塑胶片不要丢掉，还可以加工做成隔板。
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
隔板隔出过滤槽，这里是用热熔胶枪做粘合，把缝隙都填补起来，不仅储水，让水流顺着规划的路径走，也能固定隔板。
As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I
整个都粘合好，加水测试后，水流状况还挺顺畅的。第一个槽我加入白棉，能滤掉杂质；第二槽放了陶瓷环，养消化菌，帮助分解水中的有机物质。以上就是今天全部的内容。大家有什么问题或想法想交流的，可以在影片的下方留言讨论。希望这些记录 DIY 的过程，如果能让大家有些想法或收获，欢迎大家订阅、按赞、加分享，再开启小铃铛，这样才不会漏掉每次更新发布的影片哦。拜拜，下次见。